Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can ask for roadside help on Waze. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app and you should see first this home page, and you have to click on that orange circle icon on the map. And now you should see at this pop-up menu the roadside help option. Click on it, and now you have three options: fellow Wazers, emergency call, and road assistance. It says that if you have a car trouble, easily request roadside help. Your fellow Wazers will see your request and location on the map. So if you click on the fellow Wazers, here are several options as well. So what's wrong? Out of gas, flat tire, battery issue, medical issue, or other. If you click on the emergency call, you can dial the emergency number, or you can send your location. And the last option is road assistance. Here you can call some help, or for these two options you can send your address as well. So this is how you can send a request on Waze. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.